Good morning, students. Children, in today's class, we will learn laws of exponents, right? Laws of exponents are helpful to solve the questions. So, we will learn few laws of exponent. The first law is if the bases are same, again I want to repeat, if it is a raised to power m, a is the base and m is the exponent, right? So, if the bases are same, here the bases are same, इन बिटवीन मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज देयर, पावर्स विल बी एडेड. अगर किसी भी क्वेश्चन में बेसिस सेम होंगे और इन बिटवीन मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा तो पावर्स क्या हो जाएंगे, ऐड हो जाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 raised to power 2 into 2 raised to power 3, दिस कम्स आउट टू बी 2 raised to power 2 plus 3, that is 2 raised to power 5, right? Bases same, in between multiplication powers will be added. Now next one, if bases are same, in between division is there, powers will be subtracted. 4 raised to power 7 into 4 raised to power 3, this is equal to 4 raised to power, sorry, not into, divided by, here we are discussing the division sign. So 7 minus 3, 4 raised to power 4. Alright, now next law is, if there is a power between the brackets, if there is a bracket between the powers, अगर powers के बीच में bracket है तो क्या होगा, powers multiply हो जाएंगी. Suppose if it is 7 raised to power 3 raised to power 4, so this comes out to be 7 raised to power 3 into 4, that is 7 raised to power 12. Alright, अगर powers के बीच में bracket है, if there is a bracket between the powers, then powers will be multiplied. Now next, here the bases are different but the powers are same. If bases are different but the power is same, we'll take power common, means we'll take it outside the bracket, power को bracket के बाहर लिख देंगे, and in between if multiplication is there, numbers multiply हो जाएंगे, if division is there, numbers क्या हो जाएंगे, divide. For example, 2 raised to power 4 into 7 raised to power 4. Now bases are same, bases are different but powers are same, तो power को हम बाहर ले लेंगे, in between क्या होगा, 2 into 7, that is 14 raised to power 4. Now in case of division, same example I am taking, 2 by 4 divided by 7 raised to power 4. So power को हम बाहर ले लेंगे bracket के, 2 divided by 7, that is 2 by 7 whole power 4. Right? Now next is anything raised to power 0 is 1. अगर किसी भी नंबर की पावर 0 हो जाती है तो वो 1 हो जाता है. For that matter वो कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है, 1 7 6 6 4 1 2, any number raised to power 0 is 1, right? Now next law is negative power. If there is a negative sign in the power, then we have to make it positive. How we'll make it positive? We'll simply take the reciprocal of the base. If it is 2 raised to power minus 7, so what will we do? Base is 2, reciprocal of base is 1 by 2, and power will become positive. This way we can make the power positive. Here I want to tell you one more thing. If it is minus 1 raised to power even number, any even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 22, 78, any number, then it will become plus 1. And if it is minus 1 raised to power odd number, right? So it will become minus 1, right? I hope it is clear to everyone.